What's up, guys? It is I, J Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back for another video. I am back for another video, y'all, okay? So, in today's video, I'm going to be pinning up some powders. Y'all know some specific powders. I'm going to be pinning up my MAC Times Patrick Star powder and also my Coty Airspun powder. Now, these powders play a very big role in my makeup routine. This being the first powder I've ever purchased ever. Not this actual container, but this brand, like, you know, in the type of powder. This has been the first powder I've ever purchased in my life. And I've been doing makeup for almost 2 years now. And this powder holds like a very special place in my heart. And then a recent powder I just picked up in 2000 at the nearly the middle of December in 2017, but of course moving on to 2018, which is this powder right here, which is the MAC Times Patrick Star powder. Now I'm going to be it's going to be like the battle of both of these, because I don't know, I like the Patrick Star powder a little bit. I like it a lot actually. But before I got that powder, I was using my Fit Me powder, which this kind of took a back seat, and I just used this all over the face. I use this all over the face. This is the shade Medium, all over my face. And I'm using this up under my eyes currently. And the goddamn Coty Airspun. Shit. I'm using Coty Airspun on this side of my face, and I'm using Patrick Star's powder on this side. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because you will not be disappointed in my future videos, y'all. Y'all will not be disappointed, okay? And also hit that bell notification right after that to be notified whenever I upload, and give me a thumbs up, because it is graciously, oh yes, graciously appreciated, or gratefully. What? So with that being said, let's just get into this video. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off with my base already done, and with this eye look that I'm doing right now, that you see right now, you guys can click the eye right up here to see that video. I just released that video maybe a couple of days ago, but I'm gonna start off with my base already done, and I'm going to take my Coty Airspun powder right on this side and my Patrick Star's powder right on this side. Not right. This is my right, this is my left, but y'all left, my right. I'm going to be using these and putting these to the test. So I'm going to start off with the Coty Airspun. I'm going to start off with the Coty Airspun on this side. So this is my Coty Airspun. Oh my god, I spilled it. I spilled it everywhere. Oh my god, y'all. Jesus, that's why I don't like this powder. I love it, but it just gets fucking everywhere. This is my Coty Airspun. I'm going to dip it. I blow off with the excess. I'm going to just take that right underneath. Oh my god, I love this powder so much. It's such a thick powder. I'm testing this out because I really don't I like using the Patrick Star powder, but it's not like a thick powder, it's like a thin powder. I'm gonna take my Patrick Star powder on this little puff sponge thing. So just press that right up underneath. So, okay. So I'm about to take more of the Coty Airspun. And I actually enjoy the smell of Coty Airspun. A lot of people don't. I don't know why. It's a really pleasant smell to me. Okay, so I just set my under eyes, and I'm about to do the same thing, but on some of my face, not all of it. On where I set my smile lines and stuff, and kind of around this area. I don't really set the rest of my face because I like that dewy look in the winter. I'm going to do the same thing on this side, but with a little sponge. I'm going to set my chin with the Patrick Star powder. And I'm going to set my forehead with the Coty Airspun. Not all my forehead, just the middle. Cause like I told y'all, I like that dewy look. See, like the middle is like matte, but like around the perimeters is like dewy. Oh yeah, and the foundation I use is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the color Bronze. And I really like this foundation, it's really good. I'm going to finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Okay y'all, so I am back and I just finished all my makeup. This look is up already. You guys can hit that eye above me to check out this look, this video that I did this look on. And yes, so I just got done finishing my makeup and I'm going to actually look how it looks right now, like look at my face right now. As y'all know, I use the Coty Airspun on this side, Patrick's powder on this side. So I'm about to check right now and it's looking pretty good right now. Like, let me see up under my eyes, because usually when I use the Patrick Starr's powder, because it is such a thin powder, it kind of like doesn't set my under. I have really deep creases in my under eyes, so I will probably need a thicker powder to go up under my under eyes instead of a thin powder like Patrick's powder. So I'm about to check under my eyes right now. Okay, so I'm noticing a little creasing right here, and as you know, I just finished my face powder. I just finished my face, so like, if I'm experiencing creasing right now, that means the powder is probably like too thin. That's what I was guessing, so that's why I picked up the Coty Airspun powder. But on the Coty Airspun powder side, no creasing at all, none. So I'm going to go and I will be back in a couple of hours just to see how long it wore, you know, after a couple of hours, you know, how long it will actually take. So what time is it right now? It is now 6:12. So I'm probably gonna be back like around 8 or 9 o'clock just to see, because that's around the time that I usually to see how long, if the powder is good or if anything is good on my face. Maybe like 3 hours. So I'm going to wait about around that time and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I am back literally like 10 minutes later, because I just realized like I gotta go to work tomorrow and my next off day is the day that you're watching this, which is that Monday, but day I'm filming this is last Wednesday, if y'all get where I'm coming from. I'm just going to look one more time and also use each powder on each side to set my eyelids. I think. No, I didn't. But yeah, so going to look one more time. Okay. I would say the winner of this powder challenge is the Coty Airspun. For up under my eyes. I will never use this around my whole face because it's just so like powdery, unless I had a powder foundation, which I really don't. Yeah, so this is a nice heavy powder. This powder is so nice for up under the eyes, because if you have deep creases like me, it is very good. Like, you need this for up under your eyes, so like to pack all the powder up under your eyes. But if you have not too many creases up under your eyes, I would say go for this. This is a very good powder. It is very translucent as well. This really isn't as translucent as this is, but this gives you more coverage, because extra coverage. But yeah, so I would say the winner is Coty Airspun. This powder is really good for up under my eyes, but if you have deep creases, I would say go for this powder. It is very good. Make sure you pick up the extra translucent one as well. So that concludes today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps a lot. Also hit that thumbs up button on your way out, and that bell notification too. Duh, like don't forget about that. Like, hit that bell notification, y'all, for real. And I will see you guys in my next video.